it's Debra Poneman, founder of Yes to Success, where we share knowledge and tools for you to live your ultimate life, ageless, anti-aging for your brain, body, and future, effective communications from the stage, from the Zoom stage, and in everyday life, and so much more. Today, I was going to talk about how excited I am to go to the No Kings rally here in San Miguel. Yes, even here, all the expats are getting together in San Miguel de Allende, Mexico. We are on the official No Kings rally map, and we're going to celebrate America in love and in peace, and we're going to bond with other lovers of our Constitution and lovers of freedom and of the press and freedom of speech and lovers of democracy and lovers of the vision of our forefathers and lovers of one another and all our fellow Americans, be they brown, black, white, red, yellow, gray, differently abled, gay, straight, trans, born here, born there. And we are going to sing songs of unity and joy and peace with kids and moms and grandmas and dogs. And I can't wait. And it's okay not to be somber. It's okay to have some joy these days. It's okay to spread joy. It's okay to have fun. And I was thinking about this, and it led me to dig up an old message. It wasn't that old. It was like maybe 5 or 6 months ago, maybe a little bit more, that I remembered from the Angels, channeled by Ann Albers, which says basically, when you allow yourself joy, it's a gift not just to you, but to the world. And I agree. When we put our attention on what's wrong grows by the power of our attention. And when we put our attention on what's good grows by the power of our attention. It's like this message from God, channeled through Neil Donald Walsh, that I'm going to read you, where he says, "On this day of your life, my friend, I believe God wants you to know that there is something wrong with everything. No matter what you're looking at, you can always find something wrong with it, something imperfect, something that is not okay with you. Don't worry, if you look hard enough, you'll find it. There's also something right with everything. No matter what you are looking at, you can find something right with it, something perfect. There remains then only one question. What are you going to look at? What are you choosing to notice? What is your perspective? And I bet you already know what God's perspective is. And a little longer message from Ann Albers from the Angels, channeled through Ann Albers. And it goes like this. Allow yourself to feel good in a world where so many don't. You need not feel guilty for the things you enjoy, the moments when you relax, and the times when you don't want to do what others think you should. We encourage you always to reach for what feels best in a given moment. We work with all of you to find the path of most joy or at least comfort in any given moment. We know what your happiness is a vibrational gift to the world. Allowing yourself to be happy, even when you watch difficult things on the news, know people who are suffering and don't have ideal conditions in your own life runs contrary to a lot of your programming. We're not suggesting you become insensitive or lord your happiness over another who isn't feeling well. To the contrary, we're suggesting that as you permit yourself to enjoy what's good in your life, you become a lighthouse and a beacon to others who need to give themselves permission to do the same. Your happiness attunes you to the frequency of love, where you'll find where you will find the help you seek, the joyful connections you crave, and the peace that surpasses understanding. The divine is always broadcasting on the frequency of love. Your angels constantly offer a vibration of love to you. In the smallest moment of appreciation, you too are attuned to the frequency of love. Get that again? In the smallest moment of appreciation, it tunes you to the frequency of love. The more time you spend in this vibration, the more you rise above the chaos and uncertainty of your world and exist in an entirely different reality. Your personal reality can be peaceful. Your personal world can be in flow. Your problems can be solved with remarkable elegance as you relax into the moment, permit yourself to enjoy the here and now, and allow us, the angels, to help orchestrate the answers to your prayers. We are always looking for opportunities to guide you towards what you want. We are always looking for those with whom you will find mutuality and joy. We are always striving to remind you of your worth. Your job isn't to figure it all out. Your job is to find the station where spirit broadcasts so you can receive all that we are trying to give you, that we're trying to give you. You can find the station through appreciation, through loving anyone or anything, and by telling stories that uplift you rather than repeating the ones that are dragging you down. Until stories of love sell, they won't be the main event in your mainstream media. However, stories of love, kindness, generosity, compassion can be the stories you focus on and the stories you tell. They can be the stories you share with one another, and in so doing, elevate both yourself and the receiver. As you permit yourselves to be happy, you give others permission to do the same. There's no need to preach positivity, dear ones. Have you ever tried to tell an upset child to be positive? Far better to be kind. You can share a story of hope or inspiration. You can say something compassionate. And when you're down, you can do the same for yourself. Tell yourself a good story. Seek something inspiring. Watch something that makes you laugh. Be compassionate with yourself. We celebrate you. We celebrate the millions of small kindnesses you have shared throughout your life and the countless times you have wished others well, even total strangers. We celebrate your willingness to reach for the light even when life appears difficult. It is there. The light is always there. The divine is always there loving you. We are always guiding. Reach for what feels best in a moment and open to all that love. Feel no guilt whatsoever for feeling good, for having goodness in your life, for being good, even when others want you to agree with their upsets. Dear ones, you are the lights on the tree of life, and your radiance makes a difference upon your earth. So, that's my message to you today. And I'm going to go for it this week. I'm going to go for it today. Lots of joy, lots of celebration, lots of love, and let's spread that vibration and that radiance in order to be a contribution to a world that works for everyone. Have fun. I love you, and bye for now.